Welcome to the Add a New Project video tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a project on BayDelta Live and fill out the project's metadata in the editor form. First, always be sure you are logged in by using the Login button at the top of the screen. Let's go through the simple steps of adding a new project. Once you are logged in, go to the project library by clicking on the Projects link in the top bar. To add a new project, click on Add New in the sub-navigation. This brings you to the metadata editor form. It's important to fill this form out with as much information as possible. Let's go through the tabs and sections of the editor form. The first tab is the Main tab. This is where you will enter a title and description. For this example, I'll title this one Test Project. Your project will be easier to find using the search tool if you fill out the description. Every word here will act as a keyword when searched. You can then enter any project contact information in the designated slot. The next tab is the Layout tab. This is where you can choose layout options for the project. There are optional tabs for each project page. For example, you can create an article page and include maps, documents, data, or images. The default view drop-down menu determines the page people will first see when they open up the project. Article is a good option because you can customize that page to showcase important project data and provide regular updates. The Content tabs are the different page options of the project. All of the options are automatically checked. You can uncheck any of the options if you want to leave a specific feature out. If you are not sure which ones you want, leave them all checked and make changes later. Next, go to the Map It tab. This is where you can geolocate the project. You can input a latitude and longitude, or click on the Open Map button to select a specific point on the map. By assigning coordinates to the project, BayDelta Live users will be able to view your project page by location. Once you select a point on the map, you will see the values show up in the form. Then go to the Publish tab. Under the Who May Access drop-down menu, there are two options, Me and Public/Everyone. If you want to keep your project private until you're done editing, then select Me. Next, fill out the author or source, organization, and any necessary copyright information in the respective boxes. If you have a specific publication date, click on the calendar icon and choose a date. You can choose how and where to promote your project if you made it public. Remember, if you're keeping it private for now, you can always come back and edit this information to promote it later. Then go to the Organize tab. This is where you can specify a type and subtype. This will help people find your project when using the search function. For example, if you're creating a project page for your restoration project, click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Restoration. You can also input all applicable keywords into the keyword box, separating each by a comma. These keywords help people find your project in the database when using the search function. Remember, all of this can be edited later. When you are done, click Save Changes. A box will appear after you save your changes with an option to view your new project. Click View Changes. Since we chose Article from the default view drop-down menu, it opens up to the article page. You can click on the Create Article button to add important project updates and photos into an article page. If you would like to go back and edit any of the project metadata, hover over the Tools menu on the right-hand side and choose Edit. The metadata editor form pops up and you can edit any of the information. Be sure to click Save Changes when you're done